Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Hiro Takata and we are gonna study division of fractions. And we are gonna tackle its advanced problems. Now let's get started. 3 over 8 divided by 3 over 5 times 4 over 5. And for divisions, you can switch the denominator and the numerator. So this will be 3 over 8 times, and switch these two numbers, 5 over 3 times 4 over 5. So 3, 5, 3, 4, 5. And let's simplify this one, and again this one, and this one 1, this one 2. So the answer is 1/2. Number 2, 1. So 1 and 5 over 8 will be, okay, I just equal denominator 8, and 8 times 1 plus 5 equals 13. So this will be 13, and divided by denominator is 4, and 2 times 4 plus 1 equals 9, so 9. And divided by denominator will be 9, and 9 times 1 plus 5 equals 14. Now from here you can change division into multiplication by switching the denominator and the numerator. So 13 over 8 times 4 over 9 times, and again switch this, 9 over 14. So let's simplify this one, right? Number 2, that's it. So 2 times 14 equals 28, and 13 times 1 equals 13. Number 3, 5 over 6 divided by 1 and 4 ninths will be 9. Denominator will be 9, and the numerator will be 9 times 1 plus 4 equals 13, times the denominator is 5, and the numerator is 5 times 5 plus 1 equals 26. Now let's make this one into multiplication. 5 over 6 times, switch these numbers, 9 times 9 over 13 times 26 over 5, and you can simplify this, and this will be 1 and 2, 3. Okay, again I can do this. So denominator will be 1, so I don't write down 1, and the numerator is 3, so the answer is 3. Okay, let's go on to number 4. Number 4, 3 over 4 minus 2 over 5, and the parenthesis, divided by 7 over 20 equals, first let's do the calculation of this one, this part. We need to make the denominator the same. So 4 times 5 is 20, and 5 times 3 equals 15, minus 4 times 2 is 8, divided by 7 over 20. Okay, let's switch to this multiplication, and 15 minus 8 equals 7, divided by 20, over 20, times 20 over 7. Okay, this one is, everything is standard. The answer is 1. 5 5 and 1/7 equals denominator is 7 and the numerator is 5 times 7 plus 1, 36, divided by 9 over 5 minus 9 over 14 divided by 3 over 8 equals, now let's switch the denominator and the numerator, times 5 over 9, okay, this one. So 3 and 4, 7. So again, the denominator is 7, the numerator is 3 times 4 equals 12. So the denominator is the same, so you can just the subtraction. 20 minus 12 equals 8. So this is the answer. Okay, let's go on to number 6. Number 6. 3 over 5 divided by minus times 2 over 9 equals. Let's do this part. 3 over 9 divided by 15. 2 times 5 equals 10. And 3 times 2 equals 6. Times 2 over 9 equals 3 over 5. 10 divided by 10 minus 6 is 4. 15 times 2 over 9 equals 3 over 5 times, now switch the denominator and numerator, 4 times 2 over 9 equals, okay, let's reduce 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 2. So 1 times 2 times 3 equals 6, and 1 times 3 times 1 equals, okay, 3 and 3. So not this one, but the answer will be 2 and 1. 1/2 is the answer. Now let's go on to part 2. Okay, let's go on to next one, part 2. Choose the expression from the options that represent the same thing as the given expression. So number 1, 1 times a square divided by parenthesis triangle times a square. So this will be 1 times square divided by let's change division into multiplication. So and times circle 1, and this square could be here numerator. So and 1 times is, you can just ignore this one. So this is the simplest form, circle. So A, this will be A. Number 2, 1 divided by parenthesis a square divided by a triangle times a circle equals, first 1 divided by, so just leave this one as it is, and parenthesis a square divided by a triangle, so just multiply the reciprocal of this one times a square equals 1 divided by, okay, denominator is a triangle and the numerator is a square times a circle. Now let's make this division into multiplication. So we will take the reciprocal of this one. So denominator will be this one and the numerator will be a triangle, and 1 times can be ignored. So this is it. And let's find the same one. So B is the answer. Now number 3. 1 divided by a square divided by a triangle divided by a circle. Let's change the division into multiplication. So we can just take the reciprocal of each times this one. So you can ignore this one. So the result is this one. So the same as D. Number 4. 1 divided by a square divided by a triangle times a square. And again, convert the division to multiplication. So you can get just reciprocal and times a circle. So the denominator will be these two, and the numerator is a circle. So C is the answer. Now let's get to the next one, part 3. Okay, part 3. There is a rectangle with a length of 2/3 of a meter and a width of 2/5 of a meter. So width is 2/5 of a meter, and the length is 2/3 of a meter. And to find the height of a parallelogram that has the same area as this rectangle. Assume that the base of the parallelogram is 4/5 of a meter. So the base is 4/5 of a meter. So find the height. Height is from this one. This is height. So the area of this rectangle is, let's say it's S, 2/3 times 2/5. And the area of this parallelogram is, let's say S prime, 4/5 times H. and these two has the same area, so therefore 2 times 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 5 equals 4 over 5 times h. And let's solve this equation. Try to multiply 5 over 4 to both sides of the equation. So therefore h equals 2 over 3 times 2 over 5 times 5 over 4, and let's say reduce, so h equals 1/3 meter. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please press I like this button, and also please hit the registration button. Now, see you next time. Goodbye.